Seagulls. Seagulls are a type of sea bird. They generally have a white body, gray wings, and a yellow beak. But some are more speckled. Have you ever been to the beach? Well, then you probably have seen some sneaky seagulls. Be careful though, because they might try to steal your fish and chips. Seagulls are carnivores that scavenge. This means they eat meat, like small fish or crabs. But they will also find food where they can, diving into the water. Or even at the dump. Despite eating at the dump, seagulls are very clever birds, and they are great at working together. In a flock, they communicate with harsh squawks and body movements. Mate, 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 mate. Together, they learn different ways to catch food, like all stamping on the ground together to attract worms. Isn't that smart? They're also great at flying and gliding. And did you know seagulls can drink both salty seawater and fresh water? No wonder they're always at the beach. What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe.